Hello everyone. I'll be walking you through the RTL language support feature. So this adds automatic right to left text direction for languages like Arabic and Hebrew and left to right for English. Starting with the summary field, I'll type in English first. So as you can see, the text direction is automatically left to right. Now let me clear that and type in Hebrew. The moment I start typing in Hebrew, the field automatically detects the language and switches right to left. And after saving, the text direction is preserved. So the description section works a bit differently. The direction is applied per paragraph, not the whole field at once. So here we have an English paragraph. So that's left to right. In the next paragraph, I'm typing Hebrew. So that one automatically becomes right to left. And let's try also Arabic. And that one also becomes right to left. So each paragraph independently detects the language based on the first character you type. So you can mix languages in the same description and each paragraph will align correctly on its own. But we also have the toggle up here next to the description header. So it has three modes, the auto, LTR, and RTL. So auto is the default. It lets each paragraph decide its own direction. So if I switch to left to right, all paragraphs are forced left to right regardless of the language. And RTL forces also everything from right to left. This gives user full manual control when they need to override the auto detection. So let's switch back to auto and save. And just like any other section, after saving, the description is preserved. So next is the link issue section. So RTL support here is applied specifically to the summary column. So if a link issue has an Arabic or Hebrew summary, it will automatically display right to left. So you can see here that the Arabic uh, summary is correctly aligned right to left, while the Hebrew also is aligned right to left, and the English is aligned left to right. Now for the comments. Let's try adding a comment in Arabic. RTL kicks in automatically upon typing. The posted comment displays in the correct RTL direction, not just while typing, but in the save display as well. So as you can see, the comments here is aligned correctly. Here is the English comment, which is aligned left to right. And finally, let's take a look at the reading view. So the summary behaves exactly the same as in the detail view. So when you type in English, it becomes left to right. And when you type in Hebrew, it becomes right to left. And also on saving, this will save the direction of the text. Yeah. So the description in the reading view does not have a toggle button, but it fully inherits whatever direction was set in the detail view. So if we set the description to right to left using the toggle, it carries over here and displays accordingly. And there we go. The description is respected in the reading view as well. even without the toggle being present. So to summarize what this feature does across the summary, description, link issues, comments, and review, text direction is automatically detected based on the language being typed. Left to right for English and right to left for Arabic and Hebrew.